What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do and I'd greatly appreciate it. We've got some errands to run today, so let's get out to the garage. Out in the garage here, we are going to be taking our 2001 Dodge Ram pickup truck here on our errands, but today's video is going to be short and sweet and straight to the point. We have to go get tags and update our 2019 Silverado, our 2001 Dodge Ram, and our Corvette, which obviously is not here right now. We've got landscaping stuff to get ready and get going, and then we could put the Corvette back inside here. So, added some new things to the garage here. As you guys can see, we added a flag, and we also added a Corvette C5 logo sign. Obviously, this is where the C5 Corvette is going to be parked here for spring and summer, and usually the winter, but had to make a little bit of a change here with the landscape equipment. So Dad's Hot Rod Garage, got that sign going back up. In that video, I had to put some batteries in it, but that's working now, all good. Got our sign, or picture, from Gavin. I'll try to leave his information in the description below here for you guys to check out. A couple little other accessory pieces for the Corvette, hoodie, commemorative edition plaque there, cool stuff, and of course our sign. So like I said, I can come out of the house, hit the switch, turn it on for you guys, start making videos for you guys with it in the background there. Corvette in the background there. I think it'll be nice. Go in here and get our 2001 Dodge Ram started, warmed up outside, and we'll get going. I'll try to give you guys a point of view drive this time. We haven't done that in a very, very long time with the 2001 Dodge Ram pickup truck. So I'll try to put the meta glasses on and give you guys a little bit of a POV drive. Alright guys, so we are coming back from getting our tags. So situation here, got the tags for the 01 Dodge Ram that's got 243,990 miles on it. Guys, look at that. Awesome, and still rolling. Alright, so we got tags for this one. We got tags for the 2019 Silverado. We did not get tags for the 04 Corvette. Reason being, we got to go get an e-check for the Corvette. So it is time for the Corvette to get an e-check. And as you guys know, all of you people who have to do e-checks, got to go get an e-check first before you're able to get tags, or before they issue you tags. So got to go do that. Don't have time to do it today, so we've got to get the Corvette started, going, and then go to the e-check and get an e-check. So I'll make a video for you guys doing that. Don't want to bring it out just yet, so I'm gonna wait a little bit for the Corvette. We've got maybe some snow coming still at the end of this week here in late March. So if the weather breaks and it kind of looks like this, obviously, and we get some rainfall to where it can wash off the street like it has the past couple days here in Cleveland, Ohio, then I'll bring it out and go get that e-check and then get our tags for it. Not too worried about that. It is what it is. Birthday falls at the end of the season here for wintertime, which is good. For you guys that are going through the wintertime and your birthdays are at that point, what do you guys do? Leave that in the comments below. I've always wondered that. For people that have sports cars and they have to go get an e-check to get their tags, and you got a sports car and you don't want to bring it out in the wintertime, obviously, what do you guys do to go get your tags when they expire? And you have to go get an e-check, which means you have to take the car out into the wintertime weather, the snow, and go get an e-check. So if any of you guys are in that situation, let me know what you guys do down in the comments below. I'm curious to to know what you guys are doing with that. So again, lucky for me, my birthday is at the end of the winter season, to where it's becoming spring. So good weather is upon us here, Cleveland, Ohio. Not too much longer, I should say. But everything is going pretty decently here. Gonna get the landscape stuff started. I told you guys about that, made a video for you guys about that. Waiting on getting it back from Marshall Power Equipment. That's where I took it to get some other work done to it that I didn't have the time or tools for, just to keep that thing going and maintained. Like I teach you guys preventative maintenance here on the channel, so that is something that I always continue to do with my vehicles. So that is something that I continue to do with all my vehicles and my equipment, and I encourage you guys to do that as well. So let me know how you guys like this POV drive in the 01 Dodge Ram pickup truck here. Don't know how it's going to turn out. First time doing it in this truck with the meta glasses on. I've got a ceramic window tint on the windshield here, and I've got 35% on the driver and passenger doors here, and the back extended cab part is factory tinted. So let me know how it turns out. Let me know what you guys are up to. Let me know if any of you guys are in that situation to where you've got a birthday in the winter time and you've got a sports car and you don't want to take it out and you've got to go get an e-check. Let me know what you guys do in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.